So, as you guys saw, my brother put all of these randomly. Don't know which water is which. Looks like they're all equal amounts as well. Good job, Gene. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get 3 pieces of paper. I'm going to write this right here is Zephyrhills, or just Zeph. I guess I'll just put this one right here. I will put tap on this piece of paper, right there. And then for the final one, Aquafina, I'll just put Aqua. And that's gonna be right there. So, what I'm gonna do now is, let's see actually if I can, let me move my rice cooker real quick. Get this out of the way, just so I can put the Zephyrhills right over here. So what I'm gonna be doing is, with my guesses, I'm gonna be putting the 5 cups onto these individual pieces of paper. For example, if I believe cup number 1 is Zephyrhills, I'll just place it right here on Zephyrhills. Cup number 2, if I believe it's tap, I'll place it on tap. We'll keep going until we get through all 15 cups, and at the end, my brother will let me know if I'm correct or if I'm incorrect. I'm gonna start off with cup number 1. That is kind of weird because it just tastes like water. I'm getting a little bit of plastic. Now the issue is I'm sorry, but the issue is I'm not 100% sure. I believe it's either Aquafina or tap water. My first gut is Aquafina. The issue is you can come closer. I know you're stepping back. But I tasted plastic, but that could be because of the plastic cups. So I don't really know because I don't really drink tap water or Aquafina. I guess, if anything, you can taste a little bit of plastic. It tastes like regular water, not too cold, room temperature. I think you're just going to put on Aquafina. I'm also thinking Zephyrhills, but at this point, it's just kind of a blind guess. I believe cup number 1, I believe that is Aquafina. Let's just go in order. So we got cup number 2. Oh, that's tap. That's tap. I guess the way, it's either tap or Aquafina, actually. Actually, I'm going to change my answer. I believe number 1 is Zephyrhills. I believe number 2, I believe that is tap. The way it tasted, I guess it tastes like tap water in the sense that, not really much plastic. Definitely not compared to number 1. Don't get that plastic flavor. It doesn't seem as purified, if anything. It tasted warmer. But I don't really know. Like I said, I believe that is tap water. It did taste warmer. You couldn't really taste any of the plastic. So number 2, I believe, is tap water. I'm going to number 3. This one's different than both. Definitely is not as distinct as the tap water, or maybe what I believe to be tap water. It is colder than number 1. It's not as plasticky either. This just may be a random hypothesis, but I believe this is Aquafina based on the fact that I don't believe it is plasticky because, this is just me guessing, with the Zephyrhills bottles, we have 28 packs at home. So, excuse me. For some reason, I feel like maybe they'd be more room temperature. This is a little bit, maybe a little bit colder. I got the Aquafina from a gas station just recently, before I came and did this. So, I believe that the Aquafina actually is, or number 3 is actually Aquafina. Let me just finish this. Yeah. Number 4. I believe that one might be Zephyrhills again. You can give me... It is plasticky. Definitely, I do not believe it is tap water. It is a little bit, like I said, maybe a little bit warmer. I don't know. The temperature is kind of throwing me off a little bit. I think it is a little bit more plasticky than the Aquafina or the tap water. So I do believe that this is Zephyrhills. I can just feel the plastic, I guess, intros coming down from the water. Then this one right here, number 5.